I want to think about the accounting side, like the really boring to some people side of this. So, um, what I've learned over the years is like the way you do accounting really matters for how your business
Yeah.
operates because it's like, what are you incentivizing? And I feel that the opportunity of being in front of your customers regularly, um, and these are people who might be interested in other things that you do. If you do battery systems, if you do, EV chargers, if all these kind of adjacent projects related to electrification, um, these are like your most valuable customers, and to kind of be in an ongoing relationship with them, um, even if you're not making a lot on a service call, to me, the ROI is just like so good on that
Yeah.
relationship over time. When you are like getting into the weeds with Amicus members, um, when people model out like the ROI of having a service program, are they including that stuff in the ROI? Or do you think companies are looking at it as a pure ROI on rolling a truck out for a service call and then what you make on that service call?
I think most companies are just looking at the hard dollars of rolling a truck and having a service call. The other benefits of the service department, such as having an ongoing relationship with your customers, like you said, retaining them as future customers for recurring service work, for add-ons, for referrals, those are all generally externalized. I don't think that we assign a dollar value to them, but I think people recognize that intuitively, but they don't necessarily try to quantify it in a dollar figure on the P&L. But it's definitely a part of why you want to maintain a relationship. You've already worked really hard to build a relationship with your installation customers. And I'm speaking just for those EPCs that also do service and O&M. You worked hard to build that relationship. And so it seems a shame to just let it go after the installation is complete when there are so many benefits to maintaining it. And you mentioned our favorite book, HVAC Spells Wealth. Our good friend Ron Smith talks a lot about the value of retaining your customer base and keeping them engaged in some form or fashion so that when the day comes that they need a more significant upgrade or replacement of their components, they know who to call and that you don't have to work as hard to keep your customers as you do to find brand new ones.